A formidable, reMarkable 2 stylus replacement? Let's get into this. Hey, it's JB. So glad you're with me. It is a community more than a channel. I always say that, and appreciate the comments down below. We're back. I've been gone for a while. We're having some fun. New planner out, 2024, and we're getting things rolling. And I have to tell you, King did me a solid and sent me over some nibs and a new nib. This is their little case, which is super cool. I want to show you that in a minute. And a couple styluses, and I'm going to unbox them, and we're going to talk about this. I've been using it this week, and as you know, I have my stylus box with all my styluses in here, and we have this Stadler Norris Digital Jumbo. I love this. We have the Lamy EMR. This is another great stylus. We have the reMarkable marker, they call it, and now we have this new what is called EMR King MR05, and this retails for $44.65, which is actually very reasonable on Amazon at this point. And I gotta tell you, I've been using it this week, and it actually feels real comfortable. When you go ahead and write on it, let's put a pin on here. I use fine liner a lot of times. You can see that it actually feels pretty good. It's a little smooth, but it's not bad. I mean, it doesn't have that grit feel of the reMarkable nib, but it feels pretty good. For me, it's right there with what I typically use, which is a Stadler, right? The Lamy I use on my Onyx books. I don't like this on the reMarkable. I know it's thick and it's got kind of it's more of a soft feel. On the reMarkable, I actually like a thin pencil type of feel, and that's why I like this. You know, when you stick it on the side, it's actually got a magnet. The magnet's not very strong, but it does hold. That's how I lost my I just actually lost mine. I was in Columbia speaking, and I carried this up on stage, and when I came off stage, the marker was gone. And I had the marker with the eraser on it, so it was the expensive one. So it was nice for them to send me this. The eraser does work, which is pretty cool. We see that, takes that off. And I think it's a really formidable, for what you're getting. I mean, it's great. And let's unbox it so you see what you get. Let me get this over here. So this is the King EMR MR05 by King. Again, I am not being paid, but they did send me these. And wow, okay, cool. So this one's a white one. I actually like this. This is pretty cool. It's a white one. I actually like this color. It's got the function button on top. It's got the eraser on the back, and it's got the nib. And this one you can see here is a black nib in it. But it feels, I gotta tell you, I like it. I might be using this one right here. I actually really, really like this. I mean, I like the black one too. There's the black and the white. You can kind of see the difference. I like the black one too. They both obviously have the same nibs, but interesting. Oh, I've got it on erase. Interesting that, obviously they got the same nibs, so they're going to be the same, but really a nice stylus for $44. I had to mark the price on the back, guys, so I remember $44.65 on Amazon right now for either color. Now, they also have this King Quick Start Guide, King tip set. Well, let's see what else is in here real quick, because I think there is some stuff. There's a nib remover. I've got like a million of these in my kit over here. And then we do have a little thing with an extra nib there. So you do get an extra nib. I believe the one that I got with the black one came with a little bag. So you get two nibs for $44.65. Again, link at the bottom. Not bad. Okay, let's go ahead and move these over. So that's what you get in the box. And then for another $22, I believe it's $22.33. It might be $27.33. I can't read my own handwriting. 22 is my lucky number. We'll go with that. You can get this cool little 10 nib package, which actually is pretty inexpensive when it comes to these type of products. Okay, so let's get this open, and it's in here good. It's like child-proof anti-theft deal. Gosh, dang, man. You need 3 men and a little baby just to get this thing open. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so you got a quick start guide, and then you have, let's put this underneath the camera so you kind of see, because it's actually kind of cool if you like little gadgety type of things. I cannot get this thing open for the life of it. They just don't want you to get into the box. Hold on. We're getting a knife out. By the way, for the new year, we're going to be giving away some reMarkables with the Morning Coach Get It Done Now planning system, which we give away over at morningcoach.com. I'm excited about that. Okay, so let's get this out. Get out of there. Boy, it does not want to get out of there. I don't think they want you to get it out of there. I mean, I got a knife here. It's a knife of all knives, and I'm having trouble getting this sucker out of it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it's kind of like a little lipstick case or something. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it. There it is. So it's a little nib kit, which you open up, and in it you have nibs, a bunch of nibs, and somehow, I got to read the quick start guide. This is a nib puller, which is great. And I don't know how you work it, but you can take nibs out with it. So there's nibs in here. Oh, here it is, right here on the bottom. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's an actual nib puller on the bottom. You pull that out. I don't want to lose all the nibs. Here they come. They're all falling out. Great, JB. You got nibs everywhere. Nibs are going all over the place. My house is just full of these things. The cat's after them, going after them. We got nibs all over the place. Okay, here we go. So they're all in here. Now I got 11. But basically, okay, let's put that cap on there. The way this works is you stick this in there, and it grabs it, and you can pull it out. Oh, yeah, so cool. Okay, so that's not bad. And the price on that I destroyed with this was, I have no idea, because 22 or 27. Maybe you can read my handwriting. See that? That was my notes, and I'll put a link to that at the bottom. So we have got the King Right. Thank you, King Right. Thank you for sending this over. I actually am using it. Normally, I review so much stuff. I got all this stuff in the corner to review. People send me stuff, and you know, I'm going to be honest with my reviews. I'm going to be honest. If somebody sends me something, I've never been paid. I've never been paid, but they send me this stuff, so it's great. I'll review. I got like a tri-screen monitor, this laptop thing, and some other stuff. But I got to be honest, and that's just the way I am. And I've been using this. Let's go into December. Let's see for the last week or so. I've been using the black one, right? And I really like it. And now, wow, I got a white one. I like this white one. That's gonna get dirty. Okay, and it does hold for some of the, I just never liked the way the reMarkable magnet in there works. It does hold. It's not its best, but, and again, that's how I lost my last one. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you might have lost one too. So the King Right MR05 stylus marker, comparable to the reMarkable, doesn't have as scratchy feel with the nib, but it does work. I think it actually works just as good as my favorite, which is the Statler Digital Jumbo. Can I give it a recommendation? Yeah, as far as all the styluses I have, you know, I would say like a 7. You know, the marker that comes with the eraser that I lost, I would give like a 7.5, just so you know. I usually don't rate higher than an 8. So that's a really good solid rating for this. And I think the white one is gonna get a little more just because of the cool factor. Kind of reminds me of an iPad pencil, doesn't it? So I would say the King Right MR05 for the price of only, at this time, $45.65 is definitely a value. Definitely worthwhile buy. I recommend it. It works for me. I would love to hear in the comments, do you have one? What does the community say about these King Rights? Pretty cool product. And this little cool thing, 22 bucks, I think it's 22 bucks, 27 bucks, you get 10 extra nibs. That's gonna last you a while. Oh, and if you get 2 of them, they stick together. All right, guys, listen, have a great day. As always, more videos coming. I appreciate you being a part of this. Hey, go over to Morning Coach, grab our free planner for the reMarkable 2. And hey, let's just keep the world getting better out there. Hey, come to this channel. We got reactions and tech reviews and all kinds of fun stuff. I do YouTube totally wrong, but I don't care because we're having fun. Thanks for being here. Thumbs up if you liked the video. We will see you next time as we keep putting that energy out there. Go have a blessed day.